I come to school too. See this life, me I know like trouble, oh. One man thing is another man struggle, oh. Money no day today, money go day tomorrow. Feel good is a happy day.
Please, can you come and tell me how much is our food here? Okay, madam.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. No go they do pass yourself. No go they do pass yourself.
How much is it? Oh, everything.
No, Madam Cash, no worry. You want to pay when I'm here?
Anyway.
No, people know me now. I'm a big boy. I used to help people a lot.
Really?
No go they do pass yourself.
Hey, so big, what's up now? What's your name?
My name? I'm Zine.
Zine?
Yeah.
Nigeria name?
Oh, no, not really. I just came up from the States. I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, okay. Actually, me, I'm running out. So,
okay.
I don't know if there's any way you can just give me your number so that we can talk.
You mean my number?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't really know. Okay, but let me check if I can get it because I don't really know it off like that.
Okay.
Oh, baby. So how much is it? Oh, don't bother about the bill. He paid. Wow, really? Yeah, he paid.
What?
Wow.
Funka?
Yo, Matai.
I hear me to me, but me.
Babe, let's go. All right. Babe, enjoy your food. Let me take my wallet from you. Oh, okay, yeah. Don't be late.
No go they do pass yourself. No.
Those people food now how much? How much food they eat?
Now 3,000.
Chai! 3,000. Hey, I die. Madam Cash. Madam Cash.
You don't finish.
No. What happen me say? And you go. I know they eat the food again. Those people money where they eat. You know say na emergency. I don't know say it go be like that.
So wait till you hold that one. Wait till they talk.
What happen be say I go run reach ATM. No le.
Waiting.
ATM. No le 1,000 dey man. I go bring 2,000 for you.
That one take concern me now. You come my shop, come chop. You don't know say you no hold money before you come here, come chop food.
No.
Oh God, beg, come pay me my money. You know. What happen?
If I hold the 1,000 man go for.
When you dey buy food for woman, you don't know.
I don't know say it reach 3,000. I think say na normal food where everybody dey eat.
I go market, go collect the food, I go steal the food stuff. If you tell me like that, which one be say you no know say go reach?
Madam Cash, so wetin you want me beg na.
No, they beg me.
I beg na.
Wetin your maid dey do when they come here? They no know say they go bring money come here.
Wetin my maid dey do?
Oh yeah, come make I show you. Na here. I don be this. So watch all this place.
No go they do pass yourself. You no concern you. No go they do pass yourself. School 2.
School 2 is big thing in town right now. School 2, we've gotten to 10,000 subscribers, and it's not easy for 10,000 people to believe you in what you are doing. So for that reason, I want you guys to continue to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell a neighbor to keep on watching School 2 and subscribe to School 2 Comedy. These are all my people here doing School 2 things. Yeah. You know? What's your name?
Peace.
And you?
Princess J on the building.
And you?
Oh, for sure, man.
Yes, these are my people who keep on doing big things. School 2 Comedy no go die. We see they go higher. 2018, we keep on moving. 10,000 subscribers. We just want to thank you guys. God bless you. And you people should keep on watching School 2. Yes, sir. Esbo says so. And shout out to the big producer director, God, Godwin Wanchuku. The man will be saying no, they sleep. He bring the work day and night. God bless you. Yes, we keep on making you proud. Keep doing big things, funny videos. Just watch out. We'll do more things, man. So, what will you all say?
Thank you.
Keep watching.
School 2.
That's how we roll, man.